So I'm out here in Las Vegas and we're gonna take these 3 T-Rexes for a proper drive out to Red Rock Canyon. So we got a blue one, purple one, and I'm gonna hop in the yellow one here. Here we go. On board the T-REX RR. This is gonna be a fun drive today. So just quick gas station stop, filling up these 3 T-Rexes, and then we're gonna head off to Red Rock Canyon now. And already this view of Red Rock Canyon is crazy. Hopefully you can see that in the distance. It's apparently some super twisty canyon type roads. This thing's crazy, driving this thing on the highway. So we'll show you Red Rock Canyon in a few minutes. So this is the scenic entrance drive to Red Rock Canyon. So I think there's you gotta pay a little bit to go in here, and then yeah, we'll see how this scenic drive is. But already this is pretty cool. You're definitely out in the desert, but the scenery is pretty cool out here. Crazy scenery, super windy out here, but we're gonna climb back on board and head out for the rest of the drive through Red Rock Canyon. Out here, but I will say it's extremely windy and it's actually quite cold. Like, I'm glad I'm wearing a hoodie today because it's chilly out here. It's in the mountains, but amazing scenery. the other 2 T-Rexes in front of me, and it looks like Las Vegas is left. So back to Vegas we go. And we are back in Vegas, just off the strip, with some of these crazy hotels. There's Trump Tower, we got the Wynn, and all kinds of cool hotels along the strip. What an incredible day it was driving out to Red Rock Canyon with these 2 guys. One was Julian from Campagna Motors, and Jake, who was visiting from Utah, checking out the Campagna brand to showcase to some of their car club members. I know it was a little bit windy, so appreciate you guys watching through that. And what a fun day this was. Huge thank you again to Campagna Motors for the invite, as well as VSSR Rentals, who provided these units to the 3 of us to drive. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Check out some of my other T-Rex videos that I've linked in the video description below. All right, if you enjoyed this video, if you could do me a huge favor, click the like button down below, check out some of our other videos on the channel, and be sure to subscribe. It literally takes 1 second, and it helps our channel out grow immensely. I actually like that one the best. The final one's the best.